Hi everybody, my name is Heidi. For those of you who are new here in the channel, welcome to the channel. And for those of you who are coming back, thank you for clicking this video. In today's video, we're gonna be unboxing and trying all the clothing that I received in this beautiful box right here by Nordstrom. This is the Trunk Club membership. The way that this subscription works is basically they only charge you for whatever item you keep. A stylist will gather a bunch of clothing for you. You will request some of them. You might be able to tell them exactly what you want, what you need, and then they will gather a bunch of clothing for you and looks. That's the most important part. They create a style and looks for you. It has a $25 stylist fee, but it's a couple of ways that you can waive that fee. If you keep one item of the box, you waive it. Another way to waive it, the $25 fee, is if you have the Nordstrom credit card. So if you are a Nordstrom credit card holder, they won't charge you the $25. Down there in the description, I'm gonna leave you a link for subscribing to Nordstrom Club. You will get $50 off in a couple of your items or maybe one item, and I also will get $50 off. We're gonna be trying all this clothing, and I'm gonna let you know my favorite items and where my stylist nailed it and where she didn't. And we start very bad. I don't know how am I gonna get out of this dress now. It's so tight, like it's size small. Who thought of sending me size small? I am not size small in basically anything. This is super tight. My boobs don't even fit in here. Oh my God, this is a disaster. And here we have a $69 by the brand Beach Lounge. $69, size small, doesn't fit. They send it to pair with those sandals, so we will check those sandals now. And we have here the shoes. These are so expensive, guys. They're $140. They have a little platform, as you see. They're super comfortable. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep them because the price is a little insane, but they are the most comfortable pair of shoes that I ever had tried. They're so cute too, but they're too expensive though. I don't know what to do. Like $140. It's a little pricey though. And here's the brand. They sent it to me in size 9. Whoever did this box for me, I don't know if it's she or he hates me, because seriously, I look like a pancake. Look at this neck here. Oh my Lord, and it's tight. This thing doesn't fit me in the top. My chest is too big for it. But on top of that, the dress is horrible. It looks like literally like a pancake. I don't know. I don't like it. The original price for this dress is $108. Right now it has a 50% off, so it's $54 right now. But even with that very good discount, I will not keep this thing because it just first doesn't fit me. This one is size 8. It's too tight in the chest. Second, I don't like the neck. I don't like this. I don't like this. I feel like I'm, no sé, pancake. Like, I don't know. I don't like it. And here we have a complete outfit, which is, not gonna lie, I kind of love it. I really like this blouse, the jeans, and the shoes that they pair it with. This outfit may be one of my favorites, even though these jeans are a little too big for me, and that's why it's creating that kind of like situation down there. But this little t-shirt is super cute. The material is super soft, and I love the green color that it has. It looks so cute. I like the details here in the neck and by the arms. It's super nice. I like the length that it has if you want to wear it like this, or if you want to tuck it in. It's also nice. It's by the brand Treasure and Bond. It's in size medium and it's worth $42. I'm probably gonna keep this. It's super cute. I love it. And the jeans are from the brand KUT Cut. They are in size 8, and right now they have a really nice discount. It is on 40% off right now. I'm looking back there because there's where I have all my information. But right now they have a really nice discount. Look how they look here in the bottom. I really like this outfit. These are size 8, so I will say size down on these ones. I'm probably gonna just return this and order them in size 6, but I really like them. And I know some of you are gonna ask me how it looks in the back. So here's how it looks in the back. It's not perfect, but it's not a huge gap either. And they were $89, and right now they have a discount, so they are $53. And the sneakers are by the brand Maywell, which is one of my favorite brands. These ones are not that crazy expensive. I thought they were gonna be more expensive. They sent it to me in size 9 and the price is $98. They are actually pretty cute. I'm thinking of keeping them too because I actually really enjoyed this whole outfit right here. I just need the pants, the jeans in a smaller size, but actually I'm even tempted to keep these ones because they're so comfortable the way that they are. And I'm sorry if the light is changing, but I'm recording right now with natural light because I think it looks more flattering. Something that I just noticed about the jeans, they have some ripping in the back of this leg and a little bit on the other back too. Not a lot, but this one has a lot, so it gives it that edgy look. This is the next outfit. The same jeans with the previous sandals that we wore before. I like this. It looks nice, but it's a little I don't know, this blouse is a little too expensive for what it is. The material feels nice. The buttons, I think they work. Yeah, they do work, the buttons. It's by the same brand, Truth and Bond, but I'm not sure about this one. It feels like I don't know, something cheaper than what it really is. This is worth $39, which is a lot of money for this kind of clothing. I don't know, I don't think it's that special, but I will think about it. I definitely very surprised this time that a lot of the clothing that I like the most is not dresses. I normally love the dresses that they send me, but this time they just didn't fit and they were horrible. Another thing that I don't like about this is, I don't know if you are noticing, is bouching in here and making me seem like I have that, and I actually don't have that bouching in my body. Like, see, it's hourglass shape, and that bouching in there is making it seem weird. You see that? Yeah, see here? I don't know, I don't like that. Maybe it's the way that I'm standing up. Like if I do this, they create more this too. I don't know, maybe if I tuck it in, it does create it too. It's kind of weird. It doesn't have a nice shape to it, so I made my mind, I'm not keeping it. It's too expensive. It doesn't have a nice shape. And here we have the last outfit that is a fail. The pants don't fit me. I don't know if you can see that. They're so tight. They don't cover my bum. My bum is half of it is out still. So these pants don't fit me. They look super cute, but they don't fit me. They are like a linen material, which is very comfortable, warm at the same time, but not too suffocating. We have here a blouse that I love. Is by the same brand, True and Bond. So they sent me a bunch of blouses from them. It's so soft. You cannot imagine how soft this is. I'm pretty sure I just want to keep it because how soft it is. This is how it looks when you are untucked. So it's a little longer. It has a round neck. Super pretty, and they are a little short in here, not too long. But I really like it. It's super cute, super comfortable. It's $20. It's not expensive. I mean, it's a little expensive, but it's not crazy expensive again, like the other one that it was $40. So I'm probably gonna keep this one. It's so soft and comfortable, so I need it in my life. I actually like the outfit. It's super laid back and very casual for go to the groceries, to the park, or running errands. Super cute. This is super soft, and again, the pants don't fit me, but I don't think I'm gonna order them again in another size because I don't think the cut is made for me, for the hips and the booty. Even though if I order an extra large, which is probably my size in these pants, they are still not gonna look right. But I love the concept of the outfit. The sneakers are super chunky and cute, high and nice and comfortable. I have wear before these kind of sneakers and they are not the most comfortable thing ever, but these ones are actually very comfortable. I really like them. I'm probably gonna keep them too. And well, again, I'm not gonna do anything with this, reorder it or anything, because it's just not a good cut for my body. Let me know down there which items of this haul you like the best. Let me know down there. Also give a thumbs up to the video, and I leave you here with some videos that are also from Nordstrom that I'm pretty sure you're gonna like. Bye.